Ninja is our premier SaaS platform for e-commerce professionals. It contains a variety of products that allow e-commerce professionals to easily track the status of their Walmart.com product pages, understand their competitive landscape, and identify opportunities to get ahead. An Elite subscription allows you to get the most out of all of our e-commerce technology, with thousands of dollars of value packed into a no-commitment, under $100 monthly membership. With Elite, you get unlimited access to all SKU Ninja products, like our shopper insights, competitive insights, content trends, and even content management on Walmart.com. Plus, you'll get access to all of our future offerings as they become available. Each of our products and features were developed as solutions to the unique problems of e-commerce professionals. Elite is your all-in-one solution for e-commerce success. With an Elite subscription, you get unlimited access to all of our products, which were all designed to make life easier for anyone working in online retail. Come by WhyteSpyder.com today to learn more.